Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another video, and I am in Louisiana. Alright, I thought about posting my first trip away from home, coming out over here, but there just wasn't much to record, right? So I'll give you a quick rundown of what happened, okay? Got up on a Tuesday, went out, grabbed the loads, and wow, thanks buddy. I appreciate for cutting me off. Genius, good job. And so pretty much what happened was I picked up a load on Tuesday, went out and got repowered because I couldn't make the original delivery. We got another Walmart load. We made that delivery the following morning, which was yesterday. And today we are, what's today? Thursday, I think. Yeah, today's Thursday. We're 123 miles away from our pickup, and we are headed back to Cartersville, alright? And from the videos you guys saw, well, you really didn't see the background much, but we are picking up something for Chick-fil-A. It's a -10, if I had to guess. It's chicken, alright? That's what we're picking up. So we're about to pick up some Chick-fil-A chicken and take it down to the Cartersville Chick-fil-A supply warehouse. Yeah, that's what we're about to do, alright? So, on that note, guys, quick little intro. Hope y'all are having a beautiful morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever you're watching this. Let's go ahead and cue the time lapse.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey, what up, say? Let me just talk one time. Whoa. 25 sitting on 25 racks. Just got started, no, we ain't done yet. But a new crib, that's a goddamn flex. Sign that check. Told them last year that I've been up next. Can't take calls, but I send that text from way downtown, but the shit's still wet. Yeah, that's a guarantee. King of the city, man, ain't knowing that it's me. Hey, damn, you're still doing it with ease.
Oh my God. Morning, sir. How you doing?
Your name.
Was that
Your name.
Jason Davis?
Pick up or delivery.
Pick up.
Have you been here before?
No, sir.
You might check your reefer fuel. If you don't have at least a half a tank or more, you'll have to go fuel up.
Sounds good, sir.
Alright. If you haven't been here, park over there beside the other trailers.
Okay.
Fill out that back paper. Take it over there to Lennox. They'll
Yes,
let
sir.
you know what you need to do.
Sounds
Check
good,
that
sir.
reefer real quick.
Ding dong, they just think they are. Another little wannabe gangster trying to play hard. Ding dong, they just think they are. Another little wannabe gangster trying to play hard. The guys then dip out the ends. Jump in the ride and burn out the rims. Don't stop, don't coach, the boy that I'm in. Now we doing the block with the yacht for events. Skin kept close, cause you plotting on them with the tits on 10. Back in the back that's on tap, all ready to go and jump in. Ding dong, they just think they are. Another little wannabe gangster trying to play hard. Ding dong, they just think they are. Another little wannabe gangster trying to play hard. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
Alrighty, guys, just like that, we went ahead and got our paperwork. So y'all already, ooh, I'll drop y'all. Alright, y'all already know the process, guys. I'm about to fill this out. get this scanned in to my company, and we'll go ahead and get it scaled. All right, so this The guy said we had 21 pallets, but we got 22 pallets on the paperwork, alright? And we are 41,800 pounds gross. Alright, so let me go ahead and scan this in, guys, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, so I got good news and I got bad news, and then I got good news for you again. Alright, we'll start off with good news. We got loaded, we scaled, we can make it legal, hopefully, fingers crossed. Bad news is we are overweight. Alright, so let me show you the ticket, alright? So, I don't know if y'all can see that. Alright, but if y'all look, our drives is perfectly fine. Or our steer tires are fine. Drive tires were over by 900, and trailer tires are fine as well. Alright, so toss that over there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna slide my trailer tandems to the first hole, my fifth wheel plus 3 notches forward, okay? And we're gonna rescale it and take a look and see how it looks then, okay? Also, another good news is I got me some Subway. Check that out, alright? Some turkey ham and some veggies and mayo toasted. Can never go wrong with that, alright? It's phenomenal, alright? Also, I better turn away my air sprayer before it gets sprayed on my food, alright? Alright guys, so let's go ahead and hop out real quick, push the pin, and we'll slide our tandems, alright? Alright, so to slide your tandems, all you gotta do is set both of your brakes, make sure you're neutral, and then you're gonna go ahead and hop out of the truck. This pin right here, you're gonna go ahead and pull it, and you'll see the pins go in, and now we can go ahead and slide it. Alright, hopping back in, what you're gonna do next is only release your tractor brakes. Okay, put your foot on the brake, push in your tractor brakes. What I like to do is go forward and back a little bit. You guys are gonna hear that little pop of the tandem pins. There we go. And then we're gonna put the truck in reverse with your tractor brakes released, trailer brakes engaged. There we go, just like that. You're gonna set the brakes. Well, what I like to do is go ahead and after you back up, put the truck into drive, press this trolley brake, give it some gas. It's called a tug test, alright? Only release your tractor brakes. And next we're gonna do the fifth wheel. Alright guys, so to do the fifth wheel, first things first we're gonna do is lower our landing gear. So let's go ahead and do that next. Your next thing, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and hit your suspension dump. There you go, you hear that? We're gonna wait for the suspension to settle down, and then the next thing we're gonna do is fifth wheel, okay? Boom, there you go. Next, what we're gonna do is engage our trailer brakes. Next, what we're gonna do is disengage our tractor brakes. Roll the window down. There we go. We are all the way forward now. So what I'm going to do is move up a little bit. There we go. We're going to go ahead and set the tractor brakes, and we're going to go check it. Alright, taking a look, we can see we moved up halfway, give or take. And that's how you guys adjust your weights. By sliding your tandems or your fifth wheel. Alright, if you excuse me, I'm gonna go have my lunch now.
It could have been me in a suit, but you had your cake and you eat in it too. Fuck, you never thought you
Okie dokie guys, what is going on? A little mid-drive update for you, alright? So, we are getting ready to cross into Alabama, I think. But the way station over here is shut down. Y'all see that? Shut down. So, which is good for me because after we scaled, I was still overweight. Alright, so I didn't skill the third time. I was like, yeah, you know what? We'll be fine. Let's keep going, guys. All right. So check that out, Alabama. There we go. All right. Now we're in Alabama. Next stop, Georgia. Let's go.
Go back on your word. Broken promises set me back down to earth. Black down on the curb. Guess time heals all acceptance. Cut deep enough to leave me infected. I fell victim to all's intentions. Cause of you I can't make a connection. Everybody in question who you got around. Guess I loved you in denial. Shouldn't have let receipts. Now I got you on fire. Shit might get released when you walk down the aisle. Expose who you are beneath that fake ass smile. A couple songs about you and I told the truth through and through. Never name drop. You guilty if you assume it's you. From laying under covers to staying under your skin. I know exactly what it was. Fuck what it is. Stay thinking out loud and think about how the vibe changed quicker than 1,000,000 miles an hour. I felt bad for whatever I said, but whatever's dead, I hope I see you never again. It could've been me in a suit, but you had your cake and you eating it too. Fuck, you never thought you'd go back on your word. Broken promises set me back down to earth. Black down on the curb, guess time heals all acceptance. Cut deep enough to leave me infected. I fell victim to all's intentions. Cause of you I can't make a connection. Everybody in question. You always look good when shit was looking bad. Looking back, it had me trusting somebody I probably shouldn't have. PTSD from falling and hitting rock bottom with nothing there to cushion that. Last time you reached out, I ain't read the message. Leave it to karma to respond when you least expect it. Everything I said, I felt the need to mention. When facts seem offensive, it's hard to ease attention. I'm just thinking out loud and think about how the vibe changed quicker than 1,000,000 miles an hour. I felt bad for whatever I said, but whatever's dead, I hope I see you never again. It could've been me in a suit, but you had your cake and you eating it too. Fuck, you never thought you'd go back on your word. Broken promises set me back.
There it is. It says, welcome to Georgia. Woo! We are back in Georgia. Let's get it. We are 47 miles away from home, guys. What do you got to say for YouTube? You gonna retire and become a trucker?
Never heard of it. Yes.
My next student, my dad.
I do this run.
Just 10 miles
Yes.
from the house to here.
Yes.
Every time I get a new load coming here, we'll just swap trailers.
Yes.
What is going on, guys? I am back, and we're already at our final. Oh, look at that. They already went ahead and turned off my reefer for me. It's about to start raining here. We're getting unloaded right now. I think I'm about halfway done right now, right? So, I have my dad with me right now. But it was a load that took me right to my house. Literally 10 miles away from my house, alright? So, I'm gonna end this video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next video. Y'all stay awesome. Keep trucking. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.